I'm Kyle Mohan, I build rotary engines. What causes low compression? We're going to talk about some of the most popular causes. Everybody blames the apex seal, and yeah, the apex seal is a likely component. It can break, it can get stuck, it can be damaged by debris getting sucked into the motor if you don't have proper filtration. You can also damage your side seals, you can damage your corner seals by over-revving or not having proper lubrication. A lot of the times you can even stick seals if there's too much carbon buildup, or if you're starting to lose a bearing, don't have proper oiling, over-rev, too cold of a startup with not the proper lubrication. Wow, there's actually a lot of causes of low compression. Another thing to consider is the temperature of your motor. If your motor's running hot, overheating, the rotary motor is a very small motor that has to make a lot of power. So it's got to do something with that heat. That heat is absorbed by both your water cooling system and your oil cooling system.